Oh no, the dry cook. Yeah, the dry cook can happen sometime, especially when you are doing hydrodistillation, then your herb may be dried up at the bottom when your water kind of already boiled off. So it can happen. But with ADI, one of the feature it has is to prevent the dry cook. So once your water dry up, it won't heat up anymore. It will shut down the power, so avoid the more bad problems. However, when you are doing the distillation with herbs, that's why we normally recommend you do steam distillation, because for the steam distillation, only the water sit in the pot. So even when you dry, you won't make very strong cooked herbs, the scent that may go into your hydrosol. Second, so the way you always try to keep a little bit water in your pot after you finish your distillation. So how to do that? For example, you want to make let's say 2 liters of hydrosol, right? And then you just add a 2.5 liters in the pot. So you're gonna stop your distillation when you make 2 liters of that. So even the already dry cook, or you can have a scale or some of the color from the herbs or the dry herbs sitting on the bottom of the pot. Don't worry, this video will show you a very simple way by using the clean procedure, clean program on the ADI to finish the thorough cleaning, including the pot and the tubing all together. So to do the cleaning, the first step is just clean off those the residues. So by using a cloth and I just wipe it off. You can also use like washcloths and put a little bit soap in there. If that help you, it just remove as many as these residues, as many as possible, because this can make the cleaning harder. Now we just need a white vinegar and a distilled water. So actually you can use ADI to make a distilled water, and you can use that distilled water for your cleaning or the hydrosol making. If you use distilled water, your hydrosol will be even better than you just using the tap water. So ADI come with a little cup. It has a mark on it. It's a 1 liter cup. So what we need is a 500 milliliter of the white vinegar and 500 of the distilled water. So just add the vinegar first. White vinegar is very cheap, so just use that, and it's also it's food grade. It's very safe. And then just add the water, fill up to the 1 liter line. Okay, it's perfect. And don't forget, put the box back in there, because we got during the cleaning procedure, so the vinegar will be vaporized and they will come up. So during the cleaning, it will do the distillation at a set time of 25 minutes. Now just 7 minutes left. So the vinegar will be heat up and wash off the scale, the color, any herb residue on the bottom of the pot, and also the vinegar will vaporize and go into the tubing and wash the tubing as well. Show you how good it is after the cleaning. Almost like new, very clean. So after this, we recommend you do a water, rinse. Still follow the clean program and just add a liter of water here and run the clean procedure again. So that will help remove all the acid left over somewhere, in the pipe. Thank you for watching. If you feel it's helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Liu. See you next time.